With its innovative hydraulic system, Viessmann has redefined heat pump technology. Simpler design, faster planning and installation, safer operation. Superior performance guarantees comfortable, satisfying warmth in both newly constructed and renovated buildings. The new generation of heat pumps deliver higher flow temperatures thanks to the refrigerant propane R290, enabling comfortable and efficient heat pump application even in existing buildings with radiators. And, thanks to its significantly lower GWP value, propane R290 is considered especially environmentally responsible compared to conventional refrigerants. With the new hydraulic system, planning and installation is now a whole lot faster and simpler. The platform's modular design affords a high degree of flexibility and reduces complexity. All components in the Hydro AutoControl system are perfectly matched, ensuring long-lasting, reliable operation. The flow sensor monitors circulating water volume in the system. If the circulating volume becomes too low, the bypass valve opens, ensuring optimum flow volume in all rooms. If ever there is a risk of the evaporator freezing up, the Hydro AutoControl reverses the heating mode for a short period, entering a defrost mode. Thermal energy reaches the buffer tank via the bypass, providing sufficient heat to ensure fast and reliable defrosting. Today's heat pumps are simple, fast and reliable. They have fewer components, involve less design and installation work, and offer more possibilities. The new generation of VitoCal heat pumps with the all-new Hydro AutoControl hydraulic system. Naturally, Viessmann